Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we consider the best 10 terabytes internal hard drive available right now. The Western Digital 10 terabytes WD Red Plus NAS internal hard drive, model WD100EFGX. If you're building a NAS system, upgrading a home server, or equipping a small business with reliable, high-capacity storage, this drive deserves your attention. Let's start with the core specs. This 3.5-inch mechanical hard disk offers 10 terabytes of storage, uses a SATA 6 gigabits per second interface, and spins at 7,200 RPM. It's built with CMR technology, which delivers stronger reliability and more consistent performance than SMR alternatives. Add a massive 512 megabytes cache, and you get excellent throughput, ideal for multi-user NAS workloads. The drive is engineered specifically for NAS environments. As part of Western Digital's Red Plus line, it comes loaded with NASware firmware. This enhances system compatibility, optimizes RAID performance, and increases reliability for 24/7 operation. Whether you're running RAID 1 for redundancy or more complex arrays like RAID 5 and RAID 6, this drive is built to handle it. Now let's talk workload capability. The WD Red Plus 10 terabytes supports an annual workload rate of up to 180 terabytes. That means it can handle heavy data transfers year-round without being pushed beyond its limits. It's perfect for small to medium business NAS systems that run continuously. From multimedia backups to file-sharing environments to security camera storage, this drive keeps up. Durability is another standout point. With dust-resistant construction and robust mechanical design, it's built for long-haul performance. Unlike consumer desktop drives repurposed for NAS, this one is rigorously tested for NAS-specific workloads, giving you peace of mind in long-term setups. Installation is as simple as it gets. It fits any standard 3.5-inch drive bay and works with virtually all NAS enclosures that support SATA drives. Once installed, just configure it through your NAS dashboard. The 7,200 RPM speed helps reduce latency, making it a great choice for media servers like Plex or for streaming large files to multiple devices at once. On warranty, you're covered for 3 years. Western Digital's support is well regarded, adding another layer of confidence for your purchase. In terms of power efficiency, this drive balances performance and low energy consumption. Especially important in NAS units with multiple drives running all day. It helps keep operating costs manageable without sacrificing reliability. To sum it up, the WD Red Plus 10 terabytes isn't just a storage device. It's a purpose-built solution for users who demand reliability, compatibility, and consistent long-term performance in NAS environments. Whether you're a content creator, an IT manager, or a tech-savvy home user building your own private cloud, this drive delivers the capacity and dependability you need. That wraps up our deep dive into the Western Digital 10 terabytes WD Red Plus NAS internal hard drive. If you're ready to invest in rock-solid storage that won't let you down, this might be the smartest 10 terabytes you ever buy. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more in-depth reviews of the best tech gear on the market. See you in the next video.